Welcome to getting started with the Group2FA app. After installing the app, click on the Get Started button. Enter your mobile phone number and click on Agree and Continue to accept the Group2FA terms of service. You will be sent a one-time passcode to enter on the next screen. Once you've entered the one-time passcode, and clicked Verify, your Group2FA account will be created, and linked to your mobile phone number. If you are the group owner, click Get a Group2FA number. If you are registering as a trusted member of someone else's group, click Skip for now. Select the plan you would like to subscribe to. If you have more than 3 trusted group members, or if you would like to have voice calls to your Group2FA number forwarded to your mobile number, select the premium plan. Otherwise, select the Group2FA basic plan. Congratulations! You've been assigned a new Group2FA number. You will set this number as the 2FA number on your shared accounts. Click on Manage Group2FA number to add trusted group members. You can type in your trusted group members' number, or select them from your contacts list. Then click Add. If the person you are inviting to join your group does not have a Group2FA account, you can invite them using your phone's share feature to send a text, email, or other instant message. Click on Invite Now. If the person you are inviting to join your group does have a Group2FA account, they will be invited through the app. Their status will show as invited, and they can choose to accept your invitation, and manage their notification preferences from their account. Their status will change to active, and they will receive messages sent to the Group2FA number. Thank you for watching. Visit Group2FA.app for more information.